Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a cool little crafting idea to do, especially like on a rainy day like today. I want to show you guys what this is. This is a diamond painting kit. So if you haven't seen these yet, well, you're going to see it now. And this is really cool. So the way it works is this one comes with four sets of paintings, and you can kind of see what the pictures are going to look like in the bottom corner of each of these. I think you have your choice of a lot of different ones here. I kind of took off the plastic of one here just so it won't make a lot of noise. But then this is what you get here. So you have the canvas. This is like the canvas here, and then it kind of peels off, and it's kind of sticky, like stickers on that there. So I don't want to peel it off just yet. But so you'll have your picture here. So this is kind of what the picture is going to look like there. So a pretty little picture. And then what you also get in there, I haven't even opened this up yet, is you get the little beads. So these are the little beads that are going to go on there. So you're going to stick everywhere there's a little letter. You see all those different letters? So like that's a bunch of E's and W's and S's. They correspond to these little dots. So I'm going to open this up here and show you all what I'm talking about here. So these are the little dots with the little letters. And so first thing you want to do is take them out of here and put them into this corresponding little sections here, because otherwise they're going to get everywhere and it's going to be hard to know which one's which. But you can see they're just tiny little dots with all the colors, so you get a whole ton of those. I'm going to guess the other pieces and parts are inside of one of these other ones here. Let me see if I can tell. Well, I'll just explain it to you just because it's so crinkly right now. But once you've got those out, you'll want to use the little placing pens. So then what you'll do is inside of each of those little sections, you'll want to use the four times pen. So it comes with four of those, one for each one. And you do is you like poke it onto the little dot, and then you'll put it into its corresponding place. So you have all the different, ones. And actually you also have some clay glue. So you can, take it, dip it in the glue, put it in there. And then this one here is just so if you have the extras or you want to pour some out or something like that to make it easy to access, you can put them in the tray. I would have to work out of the box itself because I'm colorblind and wouldn't know which color is which once it hits the tray. But you get the idea. And how cool is that? So you just go and pick them up. You can see it here. They're picking them up and dotting it onto the one there. So first step is they put it on there. Second step is they put some on the table. Third step is they peel the plastic off of the thing. Fourth step is they dot it on the glue. Fifth step, they pick up the little dot. Sixth step, they place it. And seventh step, it looks beautiful. So how cool is that? So super neat little setup here with your diamond painting set. And this is cool. And I'm going to go and create one of these probably this afternoon. Very cool. Thumbs up.